Welcome to ITHACA. In this video, I'll show you how to set up components in a database and add them to your model. A component is an item of mass that is to be transported and/or transformed in a flow sheet. Components are defined by the user. They can represent real chemical species or any other category of real or imagined matter. Components must be assigned to a parent phase, and the three currently available phases are solid, liquid, and gas. To get started, we click on Components. To connect to an existing database, click Switch Database. Then navigate to a database file. These have the extension IDB, and select it. The left side of the window now shows the phases and components contained in the database. Clicking on the text of each phase and component brings its properties up in the respective fields in the center part of the window, where they can be edited. Ticking the checkbox of any phase and component adds it to the currently open model. I'll now demonstrate building a small component database from scratch. This part of the video follows steps outlined in the Quick Start Guide. The Quick Start Guide is available with every installation of ITHACA and can also be downloaded from our website. Clicking Create New Database removes all components from the current model with a warning and prompts me to save a new database file. I'm now ready to add components. First, we add a phase. Select the database root node to activate the Add Phase button, then click Add Phase. I'll select the phase state to be liquid and the mixture model to be aggregate. Two mixture models are available, aggregate and solution, and these differ only in how liquid phase density is calculated. The solution method is more realistic but is slightly more computationally intensive. I'll also now enter a description for this phase. This is optional. To add a component to the new phase, select the phase node, then click Add Component. For this demonstration, I'll be inputting just the minimum required data. Note, in the second half of the component properties editing fields, we have fields for thermodynamic properties, which for this example I won't use since we won't be balancing energy in the model. I'll now add three more components. Note that when the aggregate liquid type is selected, only a single density value is required for each component. This should be the theoretical density of the pure component. Finally, I will add a gas phase. And to this gas phase, I will add nitrogen and chlorine components. To add these phases and components to the currently open model, I tick their respective checkboxes. Component setup is now complete, so I click OK. Any unit operation or stream that is added to the current model will now reflect all of the phase and component data we have just specified. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.